What is this? Holy crap, what is this? It's got a little bit more power to it. I think I want to see this one. Oh my gosh. This is a giant for this stream. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Backroads Angling. I am out at a little creek spot that I like to fish sometimes. This is the type of fishing that I really love to do. Usually no crowds, a lot of fish, really bitey fish, and you get a lot of different species usually out of these creeks. I've got some night crawlers, otherwise I don't have a whole lot of selection, just a few jigs, a few night crawlers. Usually whatever will bite will bite. I do have a little bit of a cold. I don't feel that bad, but it has really attacked my vocal cords. So I'm going to shut up for the most of the time and just fish, which is probably what most people want me to do anyway. So that could be a good thing actually. There are some footprints on the bank right here, so somebody might have already fished this today. So we'll see how good it is. If this spot seems like it's burned out, maybe I'll go to a different spot. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let's catch some creek fish. Oh shoot, there's a snake. Look at that little guy. Scoot past him. Okay. Oh man, and I muddied up the stream real bad. I muddied everything up. It's not good. Got one. All it took was the night crawler. He's not big. Channel catfish. All right, we'll take you, channel cat. We will take you. Baby channel cat. Didn't take long with the worm. Something, anyway. There's another one. I bet that's the same. That's another channel, I think. Well, just the way they felt, it's got to be another channel. Nope, drum. I've been guessing wrong lately. Nice. Skinny drum. Real skinny. But they are clobbering the worm. Drum. Species 2. Going with a big wad crawler this time. More than I can even fit on the hook. Got him. He feels really little. Is this a fish? What do we have? Oh yeah, white bass. Sweet. Species number 3, little white bass. He did not fight very hard. All right. Mr. Walleye, you're up next. I have almost no line on this reel. Got one. That one hit it pretty hard. Drum. Just had to freshen up our worm, and now we're getting some bites again. This looks suspiciously like the drum we caught before. I don't see a hook mark in him, but the same size as the drum we caught before, and they look pretty skinny. Oh, there's one. Grabbed it on the way in. What is it? Another white bass. Found the white bass nursery. What took you so long, dude? Let's try over here without falling. Oh, falling. This spot, last time I came here, this spot upstream was pretty darn good. So let's just see if there's anything up there. There's a lot of rocks underwater over there. Got one. What is this? Oh boy, this is something a little bit different. This has got a little bit more power to it. I think I want to see this one. Oh yeah, what do we got? Oh, it's a smallmouth maybe? Oh man, it's a nice fish. It's a nice fish. Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. This might be a big smallmouth. Don't go downstream. Oh my gosh, it's a big smallmouth. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. This is a giant for this stream. This is a giant for this stream. I want to hold you, man. This is a giant for this stream. Are you kidding me? That's a really big smallie for this stream. Oh my gosh. That is awesome. Well, let's give this guy a proper release. Oh yeah, baby. Nice fight he gave me. Gone. Whew. Yes, that was fun. All it took was a little jig head and a night crawler. What a cool stretch of stream this is right here. Just a little creek. It's running pretty hot right now, but most of the year it's just a little creek. All right, big hunk of cheese on there. Let's see if we can get something else interesting. I bet we can. See if I can get standing right out here. Kind of bummed that my camera was frozen, but at least I got it on, I think I got it on one camera. Hopefully. Something else. Got him. This is going to be species number 5. That's smallmouth was species number 4. This is just a plain old bluegill, but it is species number 5. Well, one thing hasn't changed from the last time I was here is that the species diversity of this place is amazing. One more cast and then we'll move on. Let's give it some movement here a little bit. Let's hop it downstream. Got one. That worked. Feels okay. He's running right at me. It's a drum, I think. He hit it hard, man. Drum are really growing on me. They really thump it when they hit it. It's a bigger one. Better size one. Here we go. Drum. Not sure how many fish we caught so far, but that guy smoked it. Let's have a couple more of those. Got the wrong thing. Oh, I found that snag. Shoot. That's not good. That's not good. What should we do here? Let's go downstream. It's pretty deep right here, I think. So let's see what we get, what we're in for. Oh yeah, there's some rocks. Whew, we are in, man. We are in. All right. See if I can recover my line here. It's crazy that this line won't break. Oh, man. There, it broke. This is one of my favorite types of fishing right here. No crowds, no people. Deal with all the hustle and bustle all the rest of your life, and you come out here and you get the exact opposite. Just a bunch of bitey fish, and that's it. Coax out another smallmouth. Something. Oh, this is a bass. Species number 6, largemouth. And largemouth. He got most of my worm. Little guy. I don't know about him. He almost looks like he's, he is a largemouth, I think. And he almost looks like he almost looks like a little bit of a hybrid to me. I don't know. He could have had some spotted bass in him. I'm not sure. A lot of hybridization going on here between smallmouth, spotted bass, and largemouth. So that makes it even cooler. They're probably just a little bit spooked right now. Caught a lot of fish out of here. I've walked through the middle of the pool. There's another fish. I think we're gonna get a sunfish here. Yeah, that is a straight bluegill. We need a hybrid for species number 7. That's another bluegill. All right, it's dying down here. Let's head upstream. Approaching the money spot from last year. And there's a fish. Look at that. Let's see the waves in front of me. There's a fish shooting upstream. He's right there. That may be our carp. He shot out of this tree branch and he's going right where we're going, so maybe he'll forget about us and we can catch him. There we go. Last time the fish were loaded in the spot. It's a little bit different now. I mean, current is coming so much faster. There's one. Got him. This is pretty good. What is this, catfish? Mr. Catfish. He smoked it though. Maybe that's where they are, back on the other side of this tree. Getting some relief from the current. There he is. There we go. Oh man, that's in the danger zone. I can see some sticks back there. Yeah, come out of there. Oh yeah, there's a fish on it. Got him. It's a good one. It's a good one. It's a good one. What is this? This is something bigger. This is something. Oh boy, what is this? Gosh, let me see you. What is this? Oh shoot, what is this? Dang it, this is big. This is big. Getting him away from that tree. Cannot move him. Whoa, he's got some runs in him. This could be another smallie, maybe. I'm putting way too much pressure on him. What is this? Holy crap, what is this? Big catfish, maybe? Oh, I just saw him swirl. I think it's a big catfish, isn't it? Yep, big cat, jeez. Big catfish. Heck yeah, man. Got the perfect cast under that log and it paid off. I threw in there so many times. Needless to say, that's a nice catfish for this little stream. And he gave me a run for my money with this little rod. Shoot, man. It's a nice one. He just as well been a 10-pounder on this rod. He felt like it. Look at that. There he is. Catching some nice fish today. That guy felt. And on that ultralight rod, he was pretty heavy. Look at that, guys. Nice catfish. Gave me a heck of a fight on that little rod. Made the perfect cast underneath that log. I'd thrown in there like 30 times, 40 times. There he goes. Made the perfect cast finally, and he hit it instantly. It's crazy I was able to keep him out. I got 4-pound test and I was horsing him pretty good. It's like crazy I was able to keep him out of that tree. I had to horse him. I had no choice. It was either, you know, I had to risk breaking him off. Got him. Not big. Little channel. I think I'm gonna head back downstream. Pretty sure that guy screwed this place up when he went smashing through there on all those runs. We'll make a couple casts downstream when we get back to the waterfall, but pretty looking stream here. All right, 3 more casts in this thing, and then we're going. 3 more. Got one. What is it? White bass. It's like the 4th white bass I've caught. It's a new record for this stream. Good looking fish. Go get big, bud. I know there's a Walter in here, I just know it. Just know he's in there. There's one. This could be a drum or white bass. White bass are loaded in there. It's like 6 of them I've caught so far, I think. There's one. Feels a little better. Yeah, he feels better. What is this? Oh yeah, walleye. I can't believe it. Right at the buzzer. Hooked him kind of weird. That's why he felt so big. But look at that little walleye. Cute little thing. Knew there had to be one in here. Look at him flaring his dorsal. That's cool. That's gonna do it for me at this tiny spillway in this tiny stream. The highlights were definitely the smallmouth, really big smallmouth for the stream, and the catfish, a really big catfish for the stream, and just the numbers and the diversity and everything else. This little stretch of river always manages to impress me. So it was a lot of fun. Like I said before, this is one of my favorite types of fishing. One little ultralight rod, 4-pound test is all it took, a little jig head, and a night crawler. We will be back soon. Don't worry, I'm definitely gonna come back and visit this spillway again and visit different parts of this creek again. So thanks a lot for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.